I know when I first got started with affiliate marketing and I wanted to create an email list, email marketing just seemed like this complete mystery to me. Now, most people start off by going to ClickBank and they start scrolling through the top offers and they land and they say, or they land on ClickBank and they look and they see average conversion per sale, $2,600.36. That is all good and all, but we need to back up a second and really dive into this mystery and understand that it all starts with what I call the top strategy. First, inside of the top strategy, you need to land the foundations or lay the foundations of traffic. That means picking a topic, which is a subject where you're going to lay out the problem and the solution. The solution is then going to be the offer that you're going to promote as an affiliate. And then the real mystery is unlocked when you realize and understand that in this third foundational phase of the top strategy of people, this is where you start adding people to your email list, and then you start following up with them. And you can see, and I'm going to show you in this video, how simple that is to do automatically. First, we'll start with the tool that you need, and the tool you need is GetResponse. There's a link in the description. You can grab a free account. First thing we're going to do inside of GetResponse is go under Tools and go under Contacts. Contacts are simply groups of people that you're going to add to an email list. Here they call it, or they give you a button that says Create List, and here you're going to create a list. The name of the list of the people that are interested in the offer based upon the traffic or the topic that you're talking about that brought them over to a squeeze page that we're going to build here in a few minutes as we walk through this step by step so you understand all of the pieces. Now, if we were to go back to ClickBank and scroll down through here and just pick one of these to use as an example so you can see the full picture or see the complete mystery unlocked, the crypto code, they have an affiliate page. Click on that affiliate page, and I'm not saying to promote this product, I'm using this as an example. What they have here is swipes and promos, and here you're going to see step 3 of swipes, or what they call step 3 of how to promote. Basically what they've done is they built out a little section here, how to promote the crypto code in 3 easy steps, sign up for the affiliate program, grab your ClickBank ID, and then create your affiliate links. These are the links that you're going to put in your emails, but we want to focus in on step 3, which is grabbing your email swipes, because we're going to use this information to build out our emails to do an automated follow-up with the list of people that we're creating to promote this product. So after you click on that button, it takes you over to this page, and these are email 1, email 2, email 3, and then some replay emails or emails that are written specifically for you to use to lead people back to the webinar replay. But first, let's just get started with this, the crypto code, and look at email 1, 2, and 3. You can see they're right here. We're going to be using the information. We're going to be using this information. We're not going to simply be copying and pasting, but we're going to use this information to create our own emails utilizing the swipes or the copy that they have given to us that they know will convert for an audience that is interested in this topic. Now, when we're talking about copying and pasting, of course, you can just copy this. These are the different subject lines or sample subject lines as they call them here. One cool tool that you can use, and I've covered this here on the channel, there'll be links to the videos and the playlist around this tool. This is artificial intelligence, or called ChatGPT. And what you can do is you can have ChatGPT rewrite subject lines for you. A revised version of this could be discover the crypto cheat code that generates $800 per day on autopilot. So again, we're looking at these subject lines inside of the crypto code swipe files. But first we need to build a list. Again, we're back in the tool GetResponse. There's a link in the description to grab this so you can follow along. You can get a free account and understand that we are building a list. At any point in this step-by-step video, pause it, slow it down, rewind it, or back up and take a look at exactly where we are. We are in the first step of building an email list, which is creating a list. We are calling this list the crypto code, and we are simply going to create that list. The next thing we want to do is utilize that list and build a landing page. We go over to Tools and we go under Landing Pages. This is the squeeze page or the landing page that people will land on once you start generating traffic or creating content on a topic and then letting people know that you have more help over at a link, and you'll give them a link to this landing page. You'll click Create Landing Page. It'll load up all these templates. You simply just pick the template that you think matches what you're talking about, we'll go ahead and we'll just select this template here, and we'll make this real quick, and we'll call it Crypto Landing Page. We'll say next step. You're going to see here it takes a little time for the GetResponse monster to load up that template. And then once that template is loaded up, you're simply going to drag and drop and start editing. Of course, this is not your logo, so delete that, move this up, or center this after you have deleted that logo to make some more space. And again, at this point, we're going to go back to these email swipes. Yes, these are email swipes, but the email swipes effectively do the same thing, or you want to draw the attention of people to let them know when they land on your landing page that this is what you're going to learn. So you can easily just copy that, take that back to your landing page, and simply paste that in. $800 per day on autopilot, crypto code revealed, or the cheat code for crypto is going to be revealed when they give you their email address and they land on your email list. Of course, here you would say, in this report, you'll get the cheat code and more to include analysis of current approaches to crypto trading, useful case studies, and trading fundamentals. Sign up for this free report. They'll enter their name, they'll enter their email address, and they will click here to watch now or to read now. You simply just edit that to say read instead of watch. It is simply that simple to make these landing pages using this tool, using GetResponse to create the landing page and the list. The landing page connects to the list. Then you will publish this landing page and people will sign up and they will go onto your list. At this point, you simply click next step and you just walk through this. It's going to let you know that you can set up the mobile version and then you can move on, and it'll take you to the settings, my landing page settings for your crypto landing page. And you see here, you can pick the URL, subscribe to me now, or getresponsepages.com. I like this one. And the most important thing here is the subscription settings. You simply drop down and you connect this list or the list that you just created to this page that you just created. And you can see now that this is connected to the crypto code, and you simply move on and you say publish. Now you can see it simply says, well done. You can see your landing page and you click this link and you'll see here $800 per day on autopilot. This is a link that you'll share out to this page that will show people that they can get more information from you about this topic that they are interested in. Then they'll scroll down and they'll sign up for this free report. They'll enter their name and their email address and they'll click read now. And then what you'll see here is the default thank you page. And then here you can thank them. And of course you can embed a video. You can put another image here and you can say, click here for more information or watch more videos. If you were to have a YouTube channel covering this topic in depth, you could lead them to your YouTube channel, or this could be straight to the affiliate offer. This could be your affiliate link where they would click here and then you have the potential to make a sale. But the important point here is to always remember that your focus at this stage is you're adding those people to the list. So you want to follow up with them with emails. And remember, we're looking at this example, the crypto code. They've given you these swipe emails. So you could take these and you could say email 1, email 2, email 3. These are the 3 emails that I'm going to be sending out to that list as soon as they sign up to make sure they have all the information that they need to get access to this webinar that is going to include my affiliate link so I can earn a commission if they were to buy the product that I'm promoting. So to do that, we go back to GetResponse. Again, this is the link that you're going to be sharing out, but now we're going to move on into tools and we're going to go under what is called automation. Then when we go to automation, we're going to see something called workflow. To create a workflow, you simply click the create workflow button. Then you're going to see all these templates. Simple welcome message. If you want to see how this works, click preview and you can see here, subscribe to any list by any method. This is going to be when they subscribe to your crypto list, the one you just created, then they are going to get a message. You are going to select the message that you're going to create. Of course, you don't need to create it because using the swipe files, they already created the messages. You just need to make sure that you tailor it to your message, to your voice, so people know that it's from you. Go ahead and use this template. And then you can see here, subscribe to any list. What you want to do is you want to say specific list, and then you want to select the list, which of course, in this case is the crypto code, and they're going to be subscribed by the API. Select a message to send. Here you are going to select an automation message, but in this case, you haven't created a message yet. So you're going to select create new message. Then that's going to open up the email creator, or you create the automation message. And you do that simply by going to the crypto code. And again, you would be looking at these and you'd be saying, okay, I want to use a subject line from these swipe files, and you add that to the subject line. Up here, you would name this crypto code 1, and then you would link that to your crypto code list, and then you would select the from email address. Of course, in this example, this is 30minutemarketing.net. This would be whatever your domain is, and then you paste that subject line in here, and then you simply just design the email message. And they have tons of these pre-designed templates that you can pick from, or you can do what I like to do is just go to the blank templates and select a blank template. And in this case, I like to utilize all text. So I simply just paste in a text block. And then for ease of use, I'm just going to show you this. You would just put this information in here. You copy this. You go back to the text block and you paste that in. Then again, remember, you need to edit this. So you say exactly what you want your audience to hear. Hey, Gary here. And you can see here I've added a little bit of myself to the message. I've spelled my name wrong, so I'll make sure I spell that correctly. Hey, Gary here with an important message. Keep reading. And then it goes into the information. Here is going to be where you put in a link. So you can see here that you would highlight this and then you would add a link. This would be the link that you got over from the affiliate page. Of course, that would be here under how to promote, sign up and get your affiliate link. And then once you get your affiliate link, you would copy that affiliate link here. In this case, using your ClickBank ID, you would copy this and then you would go back and then you would add that affiliate link in there. And then that would link to the affiliate offer, and you'd be using your affiliate link to earn the commission. But back to the email creation, you go ahead and you just click next. Now you can see here that you are good to go. It did a spam check and you click save and finish. Now understand at this point that save and finish, all it did was load up that email to be automatically sent once someone signed up to the list. Now down here is a little bit further, or you dive a little further into the mystery and unlock the mystery of email, specifically email automation using GetResponse. You're going to tell it after it sent this message to simply wait for a day. Then you guessed it, you're going to then send another message. You're going to connect that. You're going to select to send another message. And again, yes, you have it. You're simply going to select create a new message. Then you'll go back to the crypto code, the email swipes, and you'll do it all again. And you'll say, okay, this is email 2, 5 steps to 4K a week profit. And you're simply going to go back and you're going to say exactly what you did a minute ago. Crypto code email 2. Make sure you connect it to the crypto code. Again, this is going to be your email address. The subject line in this case, one we just copied there. Of course, make that your own, make it unique, make it resonate with your audience. And in here you can go, and this is really cool, existing messages. And then you can select the crypto code and use this template. Now you have built a template. So everything that you used here before. So again, I don't need to put anything here. I just need to delete that because this is still me. It's still Gary. I still have an important message. I still want them to keep reading. And then this link is going to be the same link. Again, going back to the webinar. But again, I could go back here and I could say, just to remind you, I could copy that. Go back and put that in, and now I have a new email, or email number 2. Go ahead and click next. Again, it's going to run that check real quick. I'm going to click save and finish. And then at that point, what I've done here is every time someone subscribes to my crypto code list via the landing page that we just created, they are going to be sent crypto code email number 1 that I created with my affiliate link. It is going to wait 1 day or 24 hours. Of course, you can control this. If you wanted it to just wait 8 hours, you could simply reset that to 8 hours right here. And you can see that now that's going to wait 8 hours. Then it's going to simply send email number 2. At that point, you're going to come up here and you're going to save and publish. And you can see here, amazing workflow. Congratulations. Click here to see all the workflows that you've created. And you can see here, this is actually named this draft. What you can do is you can click on that, and then under settings, this little cog wheel, you can actually name this instead of draft. You could name this crypto code, and then go ahead and say okay, and then go ahead and save and publish that again. And then it'll tell you congratulations again. And you can go back and you can see that the crypto code workflow is now published and ready, meaning that people, once they sign up to your list via this crypto landing page that you created, then they will be kicked off, or the automation will be kicked off, and they will start receiving those emails. Here, I'll go ahead and I will sign up, click read now, And again, it takes me to that thank you page. The thank you page at this point is just letting them know that they signed up and you appreciate it. Here's some more information, or here's how to get the report that you signed up for. Here's a quick video, and also click here for more information. This could easily take them over to your affiliate offer and give you a chance for an instant commission to be earned if they were to click and buy. Real quick to cover how to edit the thank you page. Back under your landing page, you actually have the first page, which is the landing page, which has the email opt-in form. Then if you notice up here, you will see the thank you page. Here, you'll do the exact same thing that you did for your squeeze page. You'll delete that logo. Here, you could make this a video or another headline if you wanted to add your video in there. And then down here for click for more information, you could simply double click that, and here under link URL, you could add your affiliate link. It's all drag and drop. It's all just click here, click there. And again, like I said, that's your thank you page as well as your actual lead in or squeeze page to get your lead, the name and the email address added to the email list that you built. And then your thank you page just says thanks for signing up and more helpful information as much as you want to provide here on that page. And then you come up here and you just simply save or save and exit. And then your landing page is published and ready to go. But more importantly, now when you go under search contacts, you will see that you have 2 contacts here under the crypto code, and they signed up by your landing page. And that automation has been kicked off in the background, and now the mystery has been completely unlocked. Using GetResponse to do email marketing as an affiliate is just that simple. If you have any questions or I missed something, go ahead and let me know in the comments, but understand, go ahead and watch this video again as I walk through it. Understand the steps are very simple. It's a very simple process. You just need to click here, click there, put in a little bit of effort to learn how to use the tool. And as you share that landing page and people are interested in information, your email list is going to grow, and those emails are going to go out automatically, increasing your chances of earning an affiliate commission. Don't forget, all this starts or none of this happens without traffic. And if you'd like to know or see more about how to generate traffic, go ahead and watch this video right here, right now. Look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.